Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone issues during Steam games, and here's how to fix it. So let's begin. Once you have successfully opened your Steam client, I want you to click over here, okay? On the left menu, click on Steam, go to settings, and then I want you to straight go to the voice settings because sometimes uh, if your Windows have the correct devices on them, that's good to go. But we need to make sure that we have the correct devices in here. So this is usually by default. That means any device you have plugged in, it will automatically use that as the voice input device. If you want to be much more specific, go ahead, headset microphone, making sure that it's using the correct device. Then you can even start your microphone testing here. But we will go through these other settings first. So again, choose the same device that you're using. And of course, you can definitely maximize the sound just to make sure that uh, your friends are hearing you out. Sometimes the volume might be very low, like in game plus Steam client combination. So let's make sure to increase these volumes. Next would be you might be on push to talk. So sometimes you feel like, oh, my audio is working and I'm pretty sure I have all of my settings right, but no. Sometimes push to talk is the main culprit for your microphone not working. So you can do definitely go open mic. But if you already know that push to talk is a feature, then of course you can just toggle in between. And next, over here, play a short sound on microphone toggle. Yeah, that's enabled. But so far, these are the only things important. The device, the correct device is being used, the volume, and the voice transmission type. Make sure to close this, and Steam will automatically save the changes for you. And also make sure that your device on your uh, Windows is exactly the same as in your Steam client to avoid any conflicts. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.